Hello music producers, and in this exciting video I'm going to be sharing with you how to import and export MIDI files. It's actually a very simple process and there's nothing too stressful about it. It's just a very straightforward thing. Alright, so first of all, if you have a sample pack that contains MIDI files, you can easily just drag and drop the MIDI files into the piano roll, and everything just goes like that. All right, so in a previous video I covered how to import sample packs into FL Studio. If you don't know how to do that, go ahead and watch that video. There's a link in the description to go ahead and get that. All right, quite a number of sample packs contain MIDI files also. So if you have a sample pack that has a MIDI file, it's just very easy for you to just drag and drop that MIDI file into the piano roll, and there you go, you have the melody. Now to export this MIDI file is actually also very simple. All you have to do is you go over to this arrow right here. All right, then you go to file and you can see export as a MIDI file. Then what you can do from here is just go to wherever you want to save it to, your desktop, your file, whatever you want to name it as. Just go ahead and do that, and then you click save, and that is that. You can see it right here as a MIDI file. You can see mid audio file. That is that. Alright, so for example, let's say you don't have it as a sample pack. Another way to import MIDI clips into FL Studio is just by going back here into file. As you can see, import MIDI file. Alright, then let me just go and import the one that I just exported right here. As you can see, it's untitled. I didn't name it actually, so just go ahead and open that, and you can see we still have the same file. Straightforward and very simple. Alright guys, so that'll be it for this video. Very simple and short. If you did like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and enable notifications so that you don't miss out on any future videos I post. So again, stay safe guys. See you in the next one.